When Narendra Modi ji raised additional excise duty on petrol and diesel, they are keeping quiet. Narendra Modi, when he came to power, 9 rupees 48 paise was the additional excise duty on petrol. 3 rupees 56 paise on diesel. In 2020, 32 rupees 98 paise excise duty on petrol and 31 rupees 93 paise on diesel. From 14th Finance Commission to 15th Finance Commission, we lost about 1,87,000 crores. Why these people were keeping quiet?